Would you like to make more money online? G'day, I'm Dave from Easy Online Biz Solutions. Without paying us a cent up front, we guarantee that we can show you how you can make more money in your spare time than most people make working full-time. We'll show you how to select the right business model and why that will impact your bottom line. Learn how to select products with high profit margins, discover how to leverage systems and other people's time and their skills, allowing you to scale up your business to make more money with little or no more effort. We can help you either start a profitable, easy online business, or if you have an existing product or business, show you how to make it more profitable online. Our aim is to help you have more time and more money to improve your lifestyle and cash flow. So subscribe to one of the links below and let us help you make more money online, even if you want to do it part-time. Have a great day. Talk soon.